Tracer. They have Widow. They have Brig.
Wait, I'm not there yet. Widow left side.
Got the Widow. Hamster sacked. Hamster sacked.
Ryan, you can push. I can shield you.
Wait, Widow. Anna's low. Anna's low.
Oh my god, how did she try me? She's a support, not even guess.
Not bad. I was in group chat.
Tracer's one. Brig is low.
Straight away support.
Brig is down. It is winnable. It is winnable.
Yeah, it is. After this match, or after you catch point, I might have to restart having my
Well done.
my game. I'm not hitting my frames right now.
We have EMP for next fight. Maybe I'll save it for the
You don't have to save it for me.
for the high noon. For the high noon.
Alright.
Maybe. I might just do it if I see a good place. Good job, McCree. What did you just win? You were against us. Focus Anna, possible. Focus Anna. Focus Anna. Focus Anna. Focus Anna. She's dead. She's dead. We have 2 kills. Focus Tracer. Does she have recall?
Doesn't have blinks.
We have EMP for next fight. I'm gonna do it semi-early. Okay.
Okay, Widow in front of us.
Get ready for EMP. It's gonna be very soon. Get ready. EMP right now. Here it is. Here it is. Got it. Did it. Got 4. Got 4.
Oh well.
Well done.
Just behind.
You can get the Ryan over here.
I'm gonna push hard. What is in that little crack by space?
You should have told me you guys can see.
We have high noon. Hopefully, get some value out of it.
I'm asleep.
Be ready. Damage boost high noon.
I'm dead.
We lost 4. We should maybe go deep left for the approach.
Do you want me to go deep in?
Yeah.
No, I'm saying we should maybe go deep left for the approach.
Let's do one more push as this and then we'll go back.
Wait, do you want me to go deep in?
I didn't say go diva. I said we should maybe go deep left for the approach.
Oh, my bad. I had some music turned up all the way down. I didn't know the
Fuck, man. We lost 2. We lost 2. Pull back. Pull back. Dude, can we have you change off the McCree, please, to like a Junkrat? We don't probably need the high noon. Like, you're probably not going to get value out of it. A Junkrat, I think, would be ideal here. And if we push left.
Alright, let's go left. Almost have EMP for this guy.
We have a kill.
I can't hear you.
Okay. Focus diva. Focus diva. I'm gonna EMP soon. Stay together. Focus diva. Focus diva. Focus diva. Kill baby diva. Kill baby diva. Get ready for EMP. You ready? Gonna throw it up. Here it is. Cancel the high new. Got 3. Got 4. That should be the wrap up. Beautiful wrap up.
Nice. Alright, I'm gonna back out the game and come back.
Let's set up top left. Everyone set up top left, please. As they approach us, try to break their shield, always win the shield fight.
Alright, yeah. Apparently it wasn't the game. I restarted my PC and then we put everything to high settings to ultra.
Is it better now or no?
Yeah. I just
Okay,
had to
good.
turn down the settings.
Alright, shields half.
I'll go Bastion.
Yeah, perfect.
We might have to back up early.
What?
Back up.
That hook. Oh my god.
Go to point. We lost one.
You shouldn't have to come down for the
Ryan's down.
I don't think the things are as
Dude, can you please swap off the McCree? He's a McCree Ryan main. Maybe we can have somebody else go DPS. I'm just gonna follow the Widow around. I did, dude. I did. Now please swap off the McCree. Because he has no mobility. He has a shitty ultimate, no mobility, no self heal,
got there with him.
no escapes.
Brian, push up here. Yeah. We're pushing up there. We're pushing.
They have Bastion. The Ryan's hack, the Ryan's hack.
I'm going for the right. I'm going for...
Be careful, be careful, be careful.
Get the project, get the project. Alright.
I got walled. Back up.
Back up, project. Project, back up. NG.
We have it all. Hog on the side.
Got shatter? Try to like...
He's gonna try to shatter.
Oh my god, as soon as I like those shields.
Both.
Alright, I can shatter here?
Right click, can you right? I'm dead. You can get the...
I can EMP.
Oh, what are we somewhere?
Nah, I don't need to yet. I'm gonna EMP next fight. I'm gonna EMP soon. Get ready for EMP. EMP in the front, EMP in the front! Got 4, got 4, got 4! How did we not capitalize on that? We got a combo with something? We have 2 kills. We have 3 kills.
Widow, top right, Widow top right.
They have what ult? What ult till 313?
I try not to get hit. I lost a lot of damage.
Shatter here?
He's gonna try to shatter here. Good shit, guys.
Beautiful. We're just outplaying them as a unit. Keep it up.
If he shatters, I can keep a hook. So he won't like swing. Oh, the triple taking, we might have to get a rigger.
Run his hack. Run his hack, yeah, shatter. We have a kill. I can EMP soon. We're gonna EMP soon. EMP! 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 4! Got 4! Got 4! Got 4! Got 4!
They don't have anything to follow.
We have left clicking. They have 3 ults. Okay, fall back, regroup, fall back. They have coalescence. They just.
What should do? Should I go Diva? I mean, Zarya? Can we get a Reaper if someone takes Reaper? You know how to Reaper?
We need the McCree to change. We need the McCree to change the Reaper.
Go, go. They're close, they're close.
We need to stop point. Contest now. Contest now. Contest now. They burned 2 ults. McCree, please change. Thank you.
My ultimate is charging.
I'm good.
Bastion's a good pick right now, man. The shield breaking. For the shield breaking power. For the stopping power. Most damage in the game. Good heals, good heals.
That's cool.
Oh my god.
That shatter.
2 kills, 2 tank kills. 4 kills, 4 kills. Good stop, good stop. See the stopping, I'm just talking to the Reaper here. The stopping suppression power of Bastion there made it harder for them to push us.
Kill me.
Break their shield, break their shield.
I don't want them to get closer.
It's like a 3-on-3. They have 4 down. We have 4 alive. 4 and 4.
Slow, on point, guys.
Oh my fucking god.
We got so many push. Where were you guys at? Like, I don't.
She's staggering though, she's an idiot. There's no way
If we don't stop them completely here, let's at least get it to 0-0. Break shield, break shield, break shield, break shield, break shield. Break shield, break shield, break shield, break shield, break shield, break shield, break shield. No!
Break shield, break shield.
I almost up with you. I got him dead.
Did not mean to charge that far.
Great job, guys.
He's dead.
Bye.
I have to grab again?
One last wave. It's pretty much one wave left. Thank you so much for changing the Reaper, dude. It made all the difference. She has no cater. She has no cater. Nice, nice. Pulling out the pistol, bro. High level mercy shit.
I have bubble for you, Jay.
Shield's down. I need to charge it.
That was nice.
Almost
Turn tab, change skill. 2 kills. It's a winnable engagement.
Behind us, Widow.
They have so long to go. They have a long way to go.
Behind us is Widow.
Copy, copy.
Alright, I'll get her after I get the talk. Where's the widow? I am so good at Zarya. I'm actually really good at Zarya.
Good job, guys. Yeah, it would not have been as easy without the Bastion's shield breaking power, dude. That's why we Bastion. Well, second account, but so glad they got changed. All the difference. I mean, yeah, I'm not golding. Yeah, I don't have medals, but I was doing smart shit. I wasn't dying. Yeah, he might have all kinds of golds and stuff, but what was his death toll like? You know. What was his death toll like? That's my question. Like, you know, how many times did he die? If he was less than a 1-1, but he's getting more kills, well, not worth it, bro. You gotta be a 1-1 or greater ratio. And names to deaths and reduced. So 2 council masters now. Cool. Now you get to GM. I think I'll probably try to start streaming if I get to mid-masters. That's pretty much that. 1.27 season 11. Peak the win rates for posterity here. Oh, let me add some of those cats. Everybody except SKR really. Mad Dog actually. My win rate for this season. Bastion 74%, Sombra 71%. It's nice, it's beautiful, it's sexy. And then my playtime. I'm a Tracer and Ryan Hog rate. Tracer, Ryan, Hog. Quick peek at my other account. Favorites I do. Wow, I'm in the 4s. Bastion's damn near 4. And a 68, so slightly worse, way more hours though, more average. Not way more, yeah, considerably more, almost twice as many hours. I wonder how that happened, but it did. And that's that. 1.27, season 11, Love Vagary, August 16th, 2018, Saturday, it's Thursday, in transmission.